Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to create t-shirt mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the shirt. After make a perfect selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. And now import the design. Go to File, Place Embedded, and now import the design. And create a clipping mask. And change that blend mode to multiply. And after that, go to blending options. Move the white underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click. And hit OK. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.